Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the C4 grenade just like in Fortnite, but in this tutorial I won't go over the sticking part where the grenade sticks to the surface that it hits. Okay, so let's begin. For this tutorial I'm going to need a blueprint class which I have already created, and I named it C4 grenade. Okay, now we need to go into our character, open the blueprint editor, and as you know, in the last tutorial I've done the impulse grenade, so I'm not going to go over this stuff once again. Basically what it does is going to spawn the projectile a little bit in front of us, having this motion, this, I don't know, a little bit of impulse. Okay, so what I've done here, I went to the spawn actor and changed from impulse grenade to C4 grenade. Didn't change anything here, but in the C4 grenade I've got the sphere which I've set simulate physics to be ticked. Then I went here, got from the return value, got the variable. To do that, go to return value and promote it to a variable. From here, get the sphere or whatever your names is here. Mine is sphere. If it would be, let's say, tutorial, don't ask me why, but okay, now you're going to see that it is changed from a sphere to tutorial. Then add the impulse and all that stuff. Okay, so it's working. Now let's get to the part where we detonate the grenade. We need to go to edit, project settings, input, action mappings. Click on this plus to add an action mapping, give it a name and choose the key that you want it to be. Mine is left shift. Okay, so now let's type here the name. Mine is Detonate. So basically this event is going to fire every time I press the right key. Mine is left shift, so every time I'm going to press the left shift key, this is going to fire. But now we don't actually have anything set up here. So let's get into the event graph. We can delete this. We are going to need to create a function because we need to access this function from the first person character. So I'm going to name this Detonate, if I can spell that correctly. Okay, now we need to get from here multi-sphere by channel, which is basically going to be a sphere that applies to every object that is inside its radius. So we need to get the sphere, get world location, not transform, my bad. Okay, here it is. Plug this into start, plug this into end. Basically this is going to set the location of the sphere. If this would be 0 or one of those would be 0. Actually I can't detonate it now, so I'll just show you how to detonate it. We need to go to the C4 grenade. This is why you're going to need to promote it to a variable. Get a copy. Okay, wait just a second, if I can see the node. Okay, so I can't see the node here. What if I just get the Detonate? Yeah, I can just that. Okay, so from the C4 grenade we need to give the name of the function, then get from pressed Detonate. So let's see if this is working. It is not working. Let's see why. Print a string right here, move this a little bit down, and let's see. Okay, so it is working because we haven't changed the draw debug tab. We can't see the sphere, so let's get for duration here. Okay, so as you can see, this is a little dot right here. That is because we haven't changed the radius, which I think 400 would be an okay radius. Okay, so this is why we need to set both start and end to be the same, because we don't need, you see there are two spheres. One means the start and one means the end. So this is why we need to plug both to be the same value, so it's going to be only one sphere, as you can see right here. Okay, so let me delete the print string, and this is how you detonate the grenade. Okay, so from here, what we need to do, let's see if I have the starter content. I can get an audio. Okay, I think explosion is okay. So play sound at location. That is explosion. Okay, this one right here. Then we need to get this get world location once again. Let this look good. Okay, plug the return value into the location, and from the volume multiplier, pitch and start time, you can change where it starts and the volume of it. Okay, so as you can see, this is good. Let me make this a little bit lower. Okay, that is all right. But now we need the particle as well. So let's see if we have some here. Particles and explosion. That's what we need. Spawn emitter at location, not attached. Then we need to get a world location. Plug this in here. Get the explosion, and now it should be good to go, as you can see. But we need to destroy the actor as well. So destroy actor. And now let me explain what is happening here. So here we're going to play the sound at the location of the sphere. I'm going to name this back to sphere. Okay, so back to sphere now. It is going to play the sound where the sphere is located at, and it is going to spawn an emitter at the location of the sphere. And then it is going to destroy the actor, so it's not going to be visible anymore. But I think I just broke it. So I'll add it back to this tutorial. Okay, so now as you can see, spawning the emitter, destroying the actor, that is just good. So now I want to see if I can do something else with this. So I'm going to get from outhits for each loop. You need to drag this here. Okay, plug this in the exact, then get from array element break it result, and from hit actor destroy actor. Okay, I want to see if this works. Yeah, so this way you can destroy everything in your scene, even yourself. So if you want to destroy objects, you can choose this method, but if you tweak this a little bit, you can you will be able to destroy these objects right here. Maybe, yeah, I think that if it would be to do a spatial actor or class or blueprint or whatever using these cubes right here, and then from the here actor I will get that specific blueprint. So if this is equal to that blueprint, then I could destroy it and all that stuff. Okay, so let's see. Everything is working just fine. If you want your C4 or your grenade to be destroyed for some reason, but you don't want to be able to deploy this multiple times, as you can see here, to detonate it, then you need to go into the first person character or whatever your name is called. You need to do once here. So this node is going to let the input action to fire only once, and you are going to be able to reset it once you spawn another C4 grenade. Don't plug this into exec, plug this into reset. Okay, so let's see. Now as you can see, it's not going to be destroyed, but you can still fire it only once. So yeah, this is pretty much all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you liked the tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more of my content. If you didn't understand anything, don't forget to ask in the comments. I will try to respond to you as soon as I can. So yeah, guys, until next time, goodbye.